Hey everyone, it's Siobhan. I'm here with Schwarzkopf Professional to talk about all things white hair, coverage, blending and enhancement. Let's go. In the salon, we have a real mix of clients with different levels of white hair and different needs for what they want for their white hair. Some are looking for more of a soft blend, some want a total coverage, and some just really want to embrace it and beautify their white. The Schwarzkopf Professional portfolio gives me a full portfolio of tools that I can use to work with each different client's needs and wants for their hair. Let's start with embracing white hair. White hair is beautiful, and often all it needs is a little enhancement or maybe neutralization. Sometimes it can go a little bit yellowy towards the ends. This is the product for that. It's called IGORA Silver Whites. It does as good as it sounds. It's all about just refining white hair, putting a soft tonal reflect on it, and just giving it that gloss and clarity that sometimes can be missing. It's a great opportunity for a client that maybe isn't having a color service already, just to really enhance the beauty of their white hair. What is really great about this product is that there is no maintenance to it. There's no demarcation line when it grows out, and it doesn't alter the internal color makeup of the hair. It's literally depositing a beautiful soft tone over the surface of the hair. Great for neutralizing, great for refining, and great for shine. Have you heard of this? This is the shiniest product you will have seen as a hairdresser. It's called IGORA VIBRANCE, and it's all about depositing luminosity and a beautiful tone over hair. It's great for blending up to 70% white hair. Technically speaking, we have coverage bases that you can intermix, and we have two different oxidant strengths. We've got 1.9%, less white hair, tonal blending, depositing tone. And we also have 4%, which will give you that blend that you need on a higher percentage of white. You know what else is really nice is that you can work with it for a dual application. So if we have gone up to the next level, we're working a permanent tint on the root, you can match it like for like and create the same shade on the lengths and ends using this just for that sheerness, luminosity and shine. This is your classic permanent tint. It gives you everything you would expect from a permanent range, coverage up to 100% when you're working with the natural series, and a full range of fashion shades too. This is IGORA COLOR10. So think of this as your permanent shade in a much shorter amount of time. For up to 100% coverage of white hair, you can leave it anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And how I use it is particularly in situations where I've done something like a balayage, a foliage, highlights, but then need to target the white hair in between. This is perfect for that because your application is already processing and you can just go in that last 10 to 15 minutes and get the coverage that you need. So let's talk about giving white hair that little bit of extra attention. This is IGORA Royal Absolutes, and it has within it a pro-age complex that's packed full of collagen and is amazing on 70 to 100% white hair. Fantastically, you don't need to intermix it with another shade, so it doesn't need to be mixed with a natural series. Every fashion shade will give you that up to 100% of coverage. How I do use it is anywhere over 90%, I would work with 6%. Up to 90%, you can work with 9%. Honestly, the coverage is beautiful. The shine, the fullness, the coverage, the luminosity, it's all there. It's a really great product where you want to really look after the care of white hair. Do you have those clients that are just that little bit more conscious about the ingredients being used within their hair care? This product is for them. It's called IGORA Zero AMM, Zero Ammonia Permanent Hair Color that gives up to 100% coverage. The results are really natural looking, very true to tone, with a really beautiful moisture balance from roots to ends and a stunning even color. It's completely odorless, and that's another situation I would use it in. There are those that are a little bit more sensitive to smell, and we know that sometimes at different points in the service, the smell could be a bit heightened. This is an amazing product to use on those clients. Every great color service needs great care, and that means leaving your client with hair that feels really strong, really well nourished, and will last between appointments. when they can see that their hair feels strong and it lasts beautifully from appointment to appointment. It starts at the basin experience with what we use on their hair, and FIBRE CLINIX is the perfect way to seal down your colour service. And then of course we can use that to make a bespoke recommendation for them to take home with them. This is what they're going to see every day, and when they look at that gorgeous shine, that gorgeous tone, they're going to think, I know where that came from. So that was a whistle-stop tour of the IGORA portfolio for blending and coverage of white hair. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments, and if you want to know more, there is some amazing learning on the eAcademy. We're talking tips and tricks, step-by-steps, and all of these products in a little bit more detail.